guys, it's Kimmy. I know you're here for the video and I'm gonna let you get right to it. But first, I have to tell you about the Notary Business Success Mentor Program if you have not heard. And it includes everything you need to get started in your business to teach you how to properly notarize using our course, Notarize Like a Pro. Apostilles, field inspection, ink fingerprinting, you name it, we got you covered. So check it out, including weekly live trainings and a 7-day-a-week chat. Oh yeah, you heard it right, 7 days. So check it out, notaryeducators.com. Bye. Enjoy the video.
He didn't blink. He pulled out cash and he trusted her. And she built and he was like, I know you're gonna do A, B, C, D, and I'll get back with you. And then the trust factor that was there. She wrote the receipt, looked at the document, he gave her the cash, and she said, well, what time? He worked out all the details, and he was like, okay. Everybody walked off and have a good day. And I'm like, she got $100 in less than 30 minutes.
It wasn't
Now,
even 30. It wasn't even 30.
it wasn't. No, it wasn't. He
It
went to
wasn't
go
even
talk to
30.
it. No. Did he make a phone call to verify some information? It was all under 20 minutes.
Yeah, it was
And,
under 20 minutes.
and when I said, I said, wow, that's all it is too. She said, well, this is the first step, but there's more work involved. But I have to do something on the back end, and then she gets the other piece of the money. I mean, but do we even make? Let's see, don't make $200 a day. 8 times. Yeah, I guess I do, but that's a long 8, 9, 10 hours because you got to think about the time I get out of bed, sitting in traffic, dealing with the babies, dealing with the parents, dealing with staff. You know, hurrying back and forth from lunch. Sometimes I work over until lunch. I don't like that because I'm not supposed to have to cut my lunch short because we're seeing patients, and it's just like. I want to restructure my life to see how I can't be an entrepreneur and learn the business. It's really worth learning. It is because the money is there.
How about
Now,
one more experience, and I'll let you get into your the rest of it. When we were at the park with Aspen, and I got that phone call from Mexico.
with Aspen,
It
let's
was
see.
another apostille. Remember, we was at the park. That's the day I think he had the barbecue sauce issue. And I was on the swing, and I told you it was $175. You was like, for what?
Yeah, I'm like, for what? She said, well, yeah, to facilitate this, you can charge because I have to do this. I have to take the documents in. They have to get approved. Then you have to get a document back to the person, and you facilitate to make sure that it's error free for your client. And I'm like, 175, and she just on the phone in the park. Do you know? And
I'm laughing because her facial expression, John. If you see her here, you can imagine when it was happening in real time. She was so through.
yeah, because I have to buy uniforms, which are gray. I have to press iron the uniforms. I have to get Skechers now because my feet and knees I'm getting older. I've been in the nursing. I grew up in the medical field for over 25 years. And I really thought I was doing something. And I'm like, this woman here has found another way, less physical. It's mental because you have to know what you're doing and you have to pay attention to detail. I'm finding that out because I've done like 3 jobs and I'm like, okay, slow down, line for line. It's not big things, but I'm missing stuff like as simple as the county. Now I shouldn't be missing that. I don't watch those videos all day long, every day. But I think my nerves get the better of me and I think I got it. I'm so anxious. I'm so ready to go. And then I went and did a document. It was a you for my brother-in-law, and he said, "You're done with that?" I said, "Oh," and I'm looking. Yeah, I said, this is my notary block. This is my thing. I signed. You signed it." He said, "No, you're not done." He said, "What about the county?" And I looked like I could have cried because I'm thinking I know this stuff. So the training is so very important. But once you get it, it's like anything else. Nobody can take it from you. Once you get it. But you got to get it first because this is like it's very little. No, I'm still learning in the medical field, but I have such a background that I
They think she
travel.
is the doctor when she's somewhere. When she walk in a room, they think she is the nurse or the
Well,
doctor.
yeah,
No,
I
I'm
have been mistaken for that because I know and I've been experienced as the best teacher. And you know you have to study. And like I said, I grew up from 25 to 55. I've been doing it a long time. So and then too when I traveled, I had to learn on the travel assignments. I had 3 days or 24 hours, 48, 2 days to learn their system and their way of doing things because they feel like, hey, you're a traveler. You should know we're paying you. Just like notary. Hey, you should know you came to my house. If I get stuck, you supposed to know. But if we all stuck, we got a problem. So I'll be watching the videos. I do. I try to pay attention, but I think I get in my own way because I'm so anxious and I'm so excited about the money part. But it's just like anything else. I drove a school bus too. And you know what they told me that? And I had to learn school routes when I was raising my kids. They said, know what you're doing first. The speed will come. That's anything. Learn what you're doing. Know what you're doing. Once you learn it, you're going to automatically go faster. So
let's
just
talk.
get,
Go ahead. I just wanted to give you another thought to reference
just,
to about your
no, so,
notary, the
oh, go
handbook.
ahead.
How did that help you? The little training you did take with the state.
How did that help me? It didn't help. No, no. I mean, I was still lost. I had a commission and a stamp, but I mean, it's a lot of resources that they tell you, and a lot of stuff that they tell you, but it's like, it's not real life. It's not teaching you how to go sit at the hospital and notarize a document, what to look for, how to put them under oath. It's not, it didn't teach me. It
Mm-mm,
did. No,
mm-mm,
it's not going to teach you. They give you your commission. That's just like with your driver's license. My son he got he had the theory and the state gave him the book to get the permit, but he had that training and whatnot to get the driver's license. We had to go out and practice. We had to go over the rules and regulations. We
mm-mm,
had to, he had to have that behind the wheel training. Sometimes you need a trainer. You need somebody to teach you. They give you the bare minimum. They give you and I passed their test and I'm thinking, okay, now I'm ready. No, real life is a whole nother situation. Real
mm-mm.
life and real documents, going up to these doctors and these nursing homes and going in people's homes and sit down at their table. They expect you to know what you are doing.
What happened the first time you went with me and I did them documents for Eli?
Oh my God. When I went to the car,
Yeah, this is before she was interested in the business. That's a cute shirt too, girl.
oh, thank you, Walmart.
Just
When
before she was interested in the business, what did you do?
oh my goodness, we went over there and you also have to have the patience of Joe because it went literally like this. Kimberly, yeah, in this document here. And then Kimberly, oh, by the way, this is another document. And then they talking in Spanish at the whole time. And then she goes, she motions to her husband. Oh, one more document. Eh, And then another document. And I said, when do we end? I said, how many do she have? I said, excuse me, everybody. It was so nice to meet you, but I'm going to the car because this is just a lie. That was a lie.
It was
And then,
8 documents. They needed to have apostille. It was 8 documents.
but they quoted the price of two,
Yeah, it was. It
then
wasn't.
no more than three.
Right.
And
And then she kept pulling out documents and pulling out documents. Finally, Kay Denise was like, I'm out. I saw her
mm-mm.
face. She has patience like my dad had. My dad was like really wired up and zero patience.
So I'm thinking, had that been me on the job, there's no way I could have sat there with her and did all of it. I would have had to take it with me, maybe, especially this early in the game. Or I might have said, hey, what happened to the one or two documents you told me you had? You
but
know,
but she didn't know either. So for $350, you guys think I wasn't gonna sit there and play with them papers for 30 minutes?
see, I didn't know you made that much. It's
You
not my
can't tell
business, but
all your business, people. You
it's
can't tell
not my
all your business.
it's not my business. But for 350, and that was that's more than what I make in one day. So
Yes.
yeah, it's
That was
worth trying to.
apostille 8 documents. It was going to and again, he was a friend, so it should have been more than that. It was going to Dominican Republic.